Hello guys and welcome back to Furious Moto. So today I am going to install an windshield for my r15 version 2 from Throttler's Pick Shop. They are having an Instagram page. So I will show you the windshield first. Here is the packaging. So I will install this and I will show you how it looks on the r15 version 2. And this video is not sponsored guys. So stay tuned, I will install and show you. Unscrew these screws guys on the visor. Four screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And mirror I have already removed it. And you also have to remove the mirror also. So we'll start the installation process now. We have to remove this and we'll install that new one. So here it is guys, I have already installed it now. This is how it looks. I am going to install the mirrors also. So stay tuned for that. And if you like the video then please give a thumbs up. So thank you for watching.